This is my friend Craig. Craig is a very talented tattoo artist. He announced about 4 months ago that he is unfortunately moving down to Kansas City, Missouri. This makes me sad, but this gives me an opportunity to finish a project that I started for him a while back. Today, I'm building Craig a keyboard. Alright, first things first, we need an available keyboard. I went with the NK87. Then I couldn't be bothered to lube these switches, so I hired my friend Jeff because he's a complete masochist and he loves lubing switches. Look at us having a blast, watching Drew Gooden while I get tattooed, and giving him wet willies while other people get tattooed. I'd advise against doing this to your tattoo artist, but Craig's chill and he was doing dots, so who cares if he messes up, right? Alright, this board needed something a little extra, so I went a little extra and got him a custom backplate with our faces on it. Ooh, look at that board, that NK87 paired with this Hypotech keycaps. So good. Have I mentioned that Craig's favorite color is purple? It is, I promise. Good enough for me. Time to pack it up and wrap it up. I hope you like this, Craig. I love you. We are all gonna miss you and Tori.
Keep a straight face that long. Oh shit. That's sick, dude. I said you were a bitch.
Yeah, that's fine.
What was
Get off my lawn, dude.